Welcome back to Dockside Shop and Forge. So today I'm going to make a few little scribes. They're like the scribe up behind me. I don't know if you can see that. So essentially it's a short scribe with a nice ring for hanging, and it also prevents it rolling off the bench or anvil, as the case may be. These are made from 125 millimeters or 5 inches of 6mm coil spring. So this is an old garage door lifter spring. Sometimes it has some cracks in it. So initially I forge it a little bit cold, so I get those to open up a bit and show themselves. Usually have one in a batch that might fail. But that's the joy of using recycled steel. Along the way today we are also going to wire wheel and clean up my first anvil, which has now been in my possession for something like 24 years. So I'm quite keen to get that cleaned up, so it's one step closer to being ready to use. And I'll try and get a couple of close-up shots of the new anvil, so you guys can get a better idea of what that Sawyer's anvil looks like. So let's get the steel hot and let's get some stuff done. Ready to round up? round those points up. I'm going to stop doing that. Okay. So this is my old 320 pound. I don't know why I keep saying it's 330, but when you do the numbers on this side, it comes out at 320 exactly. So needs a quick wire wheeling just to get the face clean to get rid of the surface rust. Now this anvil has had some repairs, so it's been re-welded out here near the hardy, and it was used under an Oliver for a very long time. I don't know who by, but this area here was quite smushed out, so it's been hard faced in. So about this area here that was really bad. You can see some of the welding build up still here. So once I get it up on these bits of wood so I can more comfortably wire wheel the face, I will show you what the rebound is like. It's not super great, but it is pretty good. By the way, this is the power of the lever. No. Alright, that's about as high as I'm going to get it. So let me get the wire wheel out and we'll get it tidied up. So the maker's mark is just visible here. I'll try and bring it out a little bit better, but it's been well abused. So as you can see, not bad for a repair. And if you're wondering about the other one, that one's pretty good too. It doesn't need a clean up. It just needs to be put up on a stand, really. So that's new anvils for the year. Try and get some better shots of this one in a minute. So today was a bit of a mixed bag. So we cleaned up the old anvil, took some photos of the two new anvils. Look out for those towards the end of the video. And we made a couple of little hanging scribes, seeing as my Etsy shop is running low on these. So, speaking of which, Etsy link down below, along with the Patreon link. They are my preferred channel for donations or funding if you wish to contribute to the channel. Preferred if you buy my stuff. Always makes me feel a little bit better about making things. So if you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, ring the notification bell so you know when I upload something. So get out to your shop, have fun, practice repeatability, practice new skills, but above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one. So I've just made 4 quick little scribes, each with a ring holder. As you can see, they're all pretty close to identical. I mean, the twisting is a little bit haphazard, largely because I wasn't paying all that much attention to my heat, and halfway through I ran out of gas. But repeatability wise, they're fairly close to the same, and I'm happy with them. They've turned out pretty well.